The Ancient Origins of Yoga, Discovering the Path to Wellness. Namaste, dear viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore the ancient origins of yoga, a practice that has transformed lives for thousands of years. Yoga, often regarded as a physical exercise system, is so much more than that. It is a holistic approach to well-being that originated in ancient India over 5,000 years ago. Let's delve into the captivating story behind this practice. The roots of yoga can be traced back to the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest urban civilizations. The people of this ancient civilization embraced physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation as a means of achieving balance and harmony within themselves. Over time, yoga evolved and found its spiritual home in the majestic Himalayas, where sages and ascetics sought enlightenment and self-realization. These dedicated practitioners delved deep into the human experience, exploring the mind, body, and spirit connection through various yogic practices. The ancient yogis documented their profound insights and teachings in sacred texts known as the Vedas and the Upanishads. These texts serve as a treasure trove of knowledge, revealing the intricate philosophy and spiritual principles that form the foundation of yoga. One of the most influential figures in the history of yoga is the sage Patanjali. Around 2000 years ago, Patanjali compiled the Yoga Sutras, a seminal text that outlines the 8 limbs of yoga, providing a comprehensive guide for practitioners to attain self-realization and transcend the limitations of the mind. Fast forward to the present day, and yoga has transcended geographical boundaries, cultural differences, and time itself. It has gained immense popularity worldwide as a means to find inner peace, improve physical fitness, and manage stress. Today, there are various forms of yoga, such as Hatha, Vinyasa, Ashtanga, Kundalini, and more. Each style offers a unique approach to self-discovery and personal growth, catering to the individual needs and preferences of practitioners. As we conclude our exploration of the ancient origins of yoga, let us remember that this practice is not just about physical flexibility but also about cultivating a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. It is a journey of self-discovery, self-discipline, and self-empowerment. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the origins of yoga. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, may you find balance and peace on your own yogic path.